Hello everyone, if you don't want to play Halo Campaign Evolved and you keep getting this login fail error, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this sign-in error on Halo Campaign Evolved easily. So this error is very easy to fix. I have a couple of fixes for it. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your game's platform, which is Steam for me. Right click on Halo Campaign Evolved, click Properties, install files, click Verify and integrate your game files here, and once it's done with that, click Close on here. And then you're going to open up your start menu. You're going to right here view network connections. You're going to right click on your network connection. If you have an Ethernet connection, you're going to right click on it. If you're on a wireless connection, you should have the blue LAN. So right click on your network connection. Go into Internet Protocol version 4, click Properties. Click on use the following DNS server addresses. Write in here 1.1.1.1. In the alternate DNS, you're going to write 1.0.0.1. After that, click OK. Click OK again and close this up. Now you're going to open up the Xbox app on your computer. And then you're going to click onto your username, click onto support, gaming services repair tool, click on start repairing. Then you're going to wait for this process to complete. Once this process is done, now you're going to sign out of your Xbox account. And now what you're going to do is you're going to restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, you're going to open up the Xbox app again. You're going to sign into your account now. And then you're going to open up your games platform, which is Steam for me. And you're going to go ahead and try to play Halo Campaign Evolved. And you'll see that your game will now work. You'll be able to log into your account easily. So it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you in my next video. Peace.